Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be trying to solve this Rubik's Cube right here. By the way, my name is Bright Badmish, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be trying to solve this Rubik's Cube here in 10 seconds. So just watch me scramble it. Okay. Okay, see, it's scrambled, it's scrambled. You can see, watch it, look at it. It's all scrambled up real good. And I'm going to solve it in only 10 seconds, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Solved in 10 seconds, just like that. Love you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.